This video demonstrates how to install wall liners in a Ram Promaster 159 wheelbase high roof van. The tools needed are an impact with a Phillips tip, T40 Torx, and a 5/16 drill bit. The liners come with self-driller screws, plastic caps, and push-in plugs or retainers. Use the T40 Torx to remove the factory tie-downs mounted to the wall. Align the panel with the contours of the vehicle. Make sure that the holes line up and remount the tie-downs. Insert the retainer plugs in the larger holes. Continue fastening the rest of the panel using the screws and screw caps in the smaller holes. Do not over-tighten the screws because the caps will break. Flip the covers over the screw head so that it snaps into place. Finish installing the remaining panels using the same process. Align the panel, retainer plug in the larger holes, and screws with caps in the smaller holes. This is the completed wall panel install. Door and ceiling liners are also available.